Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, your destination for the world's most stunning luxury homes and architectural masterpieces. Today's property is truly something special, a residence that perfectly captures the essence of modern elegance, thoughtful design, and refined living. From the moment you see this home, it becomes clear that this is more than just a structure, it is a statement of style, craftsmanship, and lifestyle. As we take our first look at the exterior, the architecture immediately commands attention. The clean lines, balanced proportions, and sophisticated gray palette create a bold yet timeless visual identity. Subtle golden accents enhance the design, adding warmth and a touch of understated luxury. Every detail of the facade feels intentional, reflecting a perfect harmony between modern aesthetics and lasting elegance. Moving closer to the entrance, you begin to appreciate how the home interacts with its surroundings. Large windows invite natural light, while the overall composition creates a sense of openness and confidence. This is the kind of design that feels both impressive and welcoming, a rare combination in luxury architecture. Stepping inside, the experience becomes even more captivating. The first impression is one of space, light, and serenity. Natural light pours through expansive glass panels, illuminating the interiors and creating a constantly evolving atmosphere throughout the day. The floating staircase stands as a sculptural centerpiece, blending functionality with artistry. It is not merely a way to move between floors, it is a design feature that defines the character of the home. The living area unfolds with a sense of effortless sophistication. Soft gray tones establish a calming foundation, while golden elements introduce depth and warmth. The textures, materials, and lighting work together seamlessly, producing an environment that feels luxurious yet comfortable. This is a space designed not only for visual impact but for real living, for quiet mornings, lively gatherings, and unforgettable moments. Flowing naturally from the living space, the kitchen reveals itself as the true heart of the home. Here, design and practicality coexist in perfect balance. Sleek cabinetry, elegant surfaces, and premium finishes create a visually striking environment. High-end appliances and thoughtful layout choices ensure that the kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. Whether preparing everyday meals or hosting guests, this space transforms routine activities into elevated experiences. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area continues the narrative of refinement and intimacy. Carefully selected lighting casts a warm, inviting glow, enhancing the mood and creating a perfect setting for conversation and connection. The design encourages moments of togetherness, making the space feel both elegant and deeply personal. Throughout the home, a consistent commitment to quality becomes unmistakable. Every fixture, finish, and design element speaks to a dedication to excellence. Nothing feels excessive, yet nothing feels ordinary. The beauty of this residence lies in its balance, in its ability to feel luxurious without ever losing its sense of livability. The primary suite offers a private sanctuary, embodying comfort, scale, and tranquility. Generous proportions and carefully curated materials produce an atmosphere of relaxation and retreat. This is a space designed to disconnect from the world and reconnect with calm. The accompanying bathroom further elevates the experience, presenting a spa-like environment defined by clean lines, premium textures, and a soothing aesthetic. Modern living is ultimately about more than visual beauty, and this home delivers on every level. Additional spaces are designed to support lifestyle, wellness, and convenience, ensuring that the residence adapts effortlessly to the needs of its occupants. As we transition outdoors, the architectural vision fully reveals itself. The connection between interior and exterior spaces is seamless, reinforcing a sense of openness and freedom. Outdoor areas provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoyment of the surroundings. The design celebrates both privacy and connection to nature, enhancing the overall living experience. What makes this home truly exceptional is not just its materials or dimensions, but its feeling, the way each space flows, the way light interacts with surfaces, and the way design choices shape everyday experiences. This is a residence that reflects a philosophy of living, where elegance, comfort, and functionality exist in perfect unity. Thank you for joining us on American Dream Mansions, where we continue to explore the world's most inspiring homes. If you enjoy luxury real estate, modern architecture, and extraordinary design, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more breathtaking tours. Until next time, keep dreaming, Keep exploring, and keep discovering the art of luxury living.